Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be demonstrating what a screen reader is. So quick overview, a screen reader is a piece of software that allows someone who is blind or visually impaired to navigate their devices independently. So how a screen reader works, it reads all the content on the screen, device content, websites, apps, whatever the user is looking at. So how it works is the screen reader user uses specialized keyboard commands or on mobile devices, touch screen gestures, which allow them to move their focuser on the screen, and then the screen reader will read whatever the selected text or element is, and then they use, again, those specialized keyboard commands or touch screen gestures to select items and interact with different elements. So here on my screen, I have the JAWS screen reader, which is a Windows screen reader. There is plenty of other screen readers available as well. You have NVDA and JAWS on Windows. You have VoiceOver for Apple devices and TalkBack for Android devices. But today here we're going to be demonstrating JAWS. So I have the Illinois State University homepage pulled up. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tab around the page just so you can hear how the screen reader reads out a page. What the tab command does is this specialized command moves me by every element on the page I can interact with. Links, buttons, areas to type text, things like that. So I'm going to start moving through the page.
Illinois State University Illinois apostrophe First Public University. Same page link skip to main content. University navigation region. Illinois State University link.
So you can see it's reading links. So that's helpful because that tells me, hey, that's something I can click and interact with. And it also reads out the region. So I know that this is a specific section of content.
List with 6 items. Giving link. News link. Events link.
And you can hear there, it announced that we were in a list of links. So that was very helpful to know that this is kind of a grouping of items up here. And then as I move through, it's reading each link.
Map link. Apply link.
And telling me what I have there to interact with. So there's other specialized commands I can use. For example, something that a lot of screen reader users will do when they come to a new web page or just to any page in general is move to the nearest heading. And that kind of helps you find the purpose of the page or the article content or whatever you're looking at. So headings are a big deal in accessible web design. Kind of allows me to jump to the main content of the page and familiarize myself. So to move to a heading, I can actually just hit the H key.
Illinois State University heading level 1.
And you hear it reads that heading 1. And now I'm actually going to use another specialized command. This one is the arrow keys. The arrow keys will read literally everything on the page as you move past it. Every heading, every clickable button, every text box, every block of text. So that's the best way to just get every element on the page. So I will use the down arrow to move to the next items on the page.
Heading level 2 become a redbird. With top-ranked programs, an active student life, and a strong community, you'll thrive at Illinois State. Start applying to Illinois State button.
So you can see there, I arrowed, it read a heading, it read the text of the page, and it also read the button to go ahead and apply for preview. So another important feature, and this is just a few, there's many commands and ways that screen readers operate, is something called the links list. So this mode allows you to specifically move by link, and this is another thing that screen reader users will do to familiarize themselves with the new page. So if I hit Insert F7 on my keyboard,
Links list dialog.
there we
Links
go.
list.
You can hear it announces the links list. And so whether you come to a new page and need to familiarize yourself, or you come here frequently, this will allow you to just get to every clickable link, every page you can go to from here. So if I down arrow,
Majors, 17 of 82. Minors, 8. Graduate programs. Academic and career interest areas. Apply now. Our rankings. Financial aid and costs, 23 of 8.
it's reading everything there. So I can down arrow through that list and continue on. But let's pretend that I have something specific I want to go to. Maybe I know what link I'm looking for. I come to this page frequently, or I'm just looking for something. Pretend I want to search. I can actually navigate by the first letter of the link. So for example, I'll hit S.
Start to Redbird Life. Search /A-Z, 47 of 82.
Boom, I hear that. And then I hear that search link. I can click enter to select.
Enter. Home vertical bar search vertical bar Illinois State Google Chrome, Illinois.
And then I can hear that page opens. So that's a view of the links list. It allows you to kind of move to specific areas of the page, whether you're exploring a page for the first time or know what you're looking for. That's another quick command that screen reader users will use to get around pages. All right. I hope this little overview has helped you get a little more familiar with what a screen reader is and how accessible web design plays into how a screen reader operates. Thank you for watching.